Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly import outstanding bills and invoices into Xero, even if you're a complete beginner. I'm using Xero's demo company so you can follow along exactly. On the top menu, go to Business, Bills to Pay. This section shows all outstanding bills. Part 1, Where to import bills. On the top right corner, click the Import button. If you don't see it, switch to the Classic Bills view using the Switch to Classic link. You'll now see an option to download Xero's CSV template. Always download this template because Xero will only accept data in this exact format. Open the CSV file and add your bills. Fill in all the details. Save it as CSV. Go back to Xero, choose your file, and click Import. Xero will show you a preview. If everything looks good, click Complete Import, and all your bills will appear in Bills to Pay. Part 2. Import outstanding sales invoices. Step 1. Go to Business, Invoices. This is the sales section where customer invoices live. Step 2. Click Import. Just like bills, click the Import button from the top right corner. If you don't see it, switch to Classic View first. Step 3. Download Invoice Template. Click Download Template and fill it exactly as required. Step 4. Fill the CSV template and save it. Step 5. Upload and confirm. Upload the file, review the preview, and click Complete Import. Your invoices will now appear under Awaiting Payment. And that's it. You've now learned how to import both outstanding bills and sales invoices into Xero using simple CSV files. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and drop your next topic in the comments.